Hello, I am Miriam, and this is Chris.
I'm Chris.
And we own and operate Keto Chow.
Yeah, today we wanted to tackle one of our frequently asked questions. How much fat should you use in Keto Chow?
That is a good question. One thing that we recommend when you're first trying it is just grab a blender bottle, use 4 ounces of heavy cream, which there's a line on the blender bottles, and then go ahead and put the powder in, either the scoop from the big bag or the package. Just use the whole package. That's the packet. And then 1.5 to 2 cups of water. We typically like to fill it all the way up to the threads.
Yeah.
But you don't have to fill it up quite so much. And then just shake the crazy out of it so it can really mix well.
Now you can also use butter, melted butter, with warm water or other fats, but if you're just starting off, yeah, a 1/2 cup of heavy cream is a good way to just start. Now on the back of the little packets, it does tell you the amount of calories and everything else that you get with just the packet, and also with a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. But a lot of times people are like, wait, that's a lot of calories. I have to use a 1/2 cup of No. That's how much you can use. You can use 3 ounces. You could use 5 ounces.
You can use 2
2 ounces. You could use a tablespoon. It's really up to you. The minimum you should really use is the equivalent of 10 grams of fat, which I think is 2 tablespoons, if I'm not mistaken, of heavy cream. And we don't recommend using milk, regular milk, a lot of sugar in that, or half and half. It's better to use heavy cream and use less of it than to use something like one of those that has a lot more sugar. But and there's a really nice calculator on our website where you can type in how many calories that you want, and it will give you different measurements for different fats.
Yep.
That way you can tailor it for the amount that you want. But to Miriam's original point, if you're just trying it out,
it's a good way to try.
Yeah,
It's a good way to start. 4 ounces.
4
half
ounces.
Cup.
Try it out. See if you like it. So, well, thanks. That's what we wanted to cover today.
Okay, bye.